We're now entering our first camp of the day.
Hello.
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 We are about to enter our first camp of the day. This camp hosts mostly Palestinian families and children. It's right on the border. I believe 75 families, 110 children. We're now entering our first camp of the day. I believe 75 families.
Hello.
Say hello.
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 First camp of the day, 75 families, 110 children. We're going to be delivering our winter care packages, which include scarf, blanket, gloves, socks, hats, much needed. As you can see, the weather is not very good. We're here, we're accompanied by security. I'll be honest, I don't know why. These people seem very lovely, but I don't think it's got anything to do with them.
اوكي هلا هون متجمعين الناس عشان في توزيع لكل واحد له جاكيت and حرام.
We're handing out the jackets, the winter coats, to the families. We go name by name. They come and collect the jackets for themselves.
So this center is a place near Dead Sea, near the Palestinian border. So between us is the sea and then Palestine. These families, refugees live here. They've been here for a long time. They live in the camps around us. Because of the bad weather, we told them to gather here, so it's easier for all of us to distribute. There's some widows, there's some families here, there's some orphans in between them as well. So we're giving out blankets, we're giving out what else is there? A jacket and snacks, inshallah.
So, first camp seen and finished. 110 children, 75 families. For me, that was crazy.